Hello everyone, welcome here. How to ask great questions for this course. Quick help. Yes, your great questions will be answered on Google. Try at first search. And the second, look at error, what you practiced by writing of source code and executing and watching. Yes, you may find a section wise video lecture one more time. Then you try to apply a practice, a step-by-step process. Then you start learn and write your code to execute. Definitely your problem will be solved. And second way, stackoverflow.com, one of the best technical forum where many super seniors are getting their questions answered like one of the errors what you have practiced. Writers. Here using this option you can write a query, a comment with any error code practiced by you. A source code, SQL query or HTML elements what you have practiced and you are not getting a proper response. Yes, definitely you can write us. We will respond you as soon as we received your query for a solution of this course concept. Thanking you.